I have questions, John here. If you know I have sheep here, I got some wolves. I don't know who they are, but they killed all my sheep. So I tamed them. Thought they was good, but they still got sheep for the fence. Did not think that through. Cause I'm a retard. Ah, there they are. Okay. Okay. Oops. Oh good, he's so tame. Let's make a whole army of them. Eat. Ah. Oops. I'm not too good at this. Where's my doggy at? There we are. Trying to tame him, but this is not going out too well. When I figure out how to tame him again, I'll be back. Hey, we're back. And we made some more dogs. And we trapped them. We only got one dog with us, I'm pretty sure. And let's make him stand. Stand, you little. There. Follow me. I'm going my chest. Let's see. Hey, what's my diamond armor? Sit. There's my diamond sword. Okay, there's 3 diamond there. God dang it. Okay, let's try to find all our stuff. Man. Yeah, there's all our food. As I said in the last video, we had a lot of food. Wasn't lying. We're killing stuff 24/7. My XP's gone too. What? What's going on? Man. Oh well. Get that on. Put this back. Set up. I'm not in a good mood right now. Man. I'm mad now. Okay, you know what we're doing now? Difficulty all the way up. Let's do this. I wonder if I can steal my brother's armor. He's not here, so no harm done, right? Ooh ha ha. Wait, don't I have armor in my room? Before he gets mad at me. If I don't, I'm taking it in his. Okay. Moment of truth. He's lucky I do. What do I need? What do I need? I need this. Wait, what? Thank you. I need those shoes. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Just waiting for dark. Actually, we'll be right back when we have our army of these. Finally, guys, we're back. This has been about 5 hours or so. And finally, we did it. We, this took a while. We had to kill a lot of stuff. Well, my pet killed a lot. Hey, watch this. Oh. Ow. That hurt. Ha. Die. Nope. You're dead. I think you. Did I team this one yet? Cover me, my doggies. I don't think I teamed this one yet. I think this just got grown up. Sorry. What are you doing? Yes, follow me. I want to see something real quick. Huh. They can't get down here. Sweet. So if something happens, just come down here if they turn on me. Whoa. That came out of nowhere. Doggy. Hey, you doggy. Come over here. I want to tame you. Or is he already tame? Yep, there he is. Okay, we'll see if we can feed some dogs here. Oh my gosh, so many dogs. Okay. Come over here, doggies. You, make out with that. You, go make out with that. You, go make out with that. Okay, doggies, okay. Are they already tamed if I make them? I don't know. Okay. Oops. I'm trying to feed him. Doggies, follow me. I wish I could make always dark times so this would be fun. My army. Hey, spider. What are you gonna do, spider? Huh? You gonna attack me? I don't think you're gonna attack me, are you? Oh! Oh, this is gonna be fun. Hey, what's this? Oh, really? Oh, really? You gonna attack me, huh? You gonna attack me? No. Ow, they're hurting me, doggy. Hehe. Get wrecked. Okay, now how do we get out? Hey, idea. Get out of my way, doggies. Doggies, kill it. There. Come out, doggies. Stop taking your bath. Come out. Let's eat our apple. We got bonus life? That's cool. What? That's posted? I didn't even know that. Let's see if we can more. Okay, we have put them away. There. Okay, we have to put them away somehow. Hmm. Let's see if we fit them in here. Come in, doggies. Every doggy, come in here. Whoa. We're in there. That works too. Oh, I have an idea. Doggy, you're getting tamed by me. Oh, or not. Okay, if I make the in time, if I jump. Oh, or not. Or not. You know, or not. There it goes. Wait, no, doggies. Doggies! Where's my fence? Okay. Try that again. Okay. They're just about milk, and then we have to run. And as we're doing it, no. Put it in the wrong place. Dang dogs. There it is. Let's try it again. There. They're all just coming like wild dogs. Sorry. Doggies. Okay, I'll come back when I find a solution to this. Okay, guys, we finally got them all in there. These are the ones that we could not get them. They're gonna be my guard dog for now. But until then, guys, have a nice time. This is getting a whole bunch of pets.